Hello guys, I actually have no internet right now and yeah, Merry Christmas and I don't know if next year I don't know if I'm gonna get internet maybe next year's and I don't know but yeah, so this video is just play me. So these are my games. Yes, I actually named my folders with some emoticons and emojis. So yeah, this is my Google things. Yeah, Google. Yes, I have YouTube Studio. And these are my main games. Oh yeah, the meaning of UG is actually untitled games, and that's where I play that my online games. Most of this here is online games, but yeah. So the offline games here are Melon Sandbox and Geometry Dash, kind of, and Carry On, BitLife, Color by Number, World Box, and Stickman Dismounting. So yeah, and these are my apps. Yes, I'm actually Filipino. I and this is Messenger. So yeah, that's why I have Gcash and Star Maker. So yeah, and yay, you have a clock here, and so these are the tools like contacts, weather, calculate. What is this? App market. Oh yeah, I actually didn't know what to name the folder. So the shirt is UIWTNTF. Yes. Wait, it actually contains what the and this is we are extras. But yes, these are my extra games and there's a lot of offline games here actually, like Lego Star Wars, Spring Spear, Meme Challenge isn't, even though it is, and Family Life, Megangelion, uh, Machinarium, Superstar Idol, I think, I don't know. Weapon Ball Fight, Chess Idol Clicker, Terrarium, Doors Origins, Lines, Doors Paradox, Doors Awakening, After Ink, Rebel Ink, Plague Ink, Ragdoll, no. I don't think Worm Zone is, but I'll count it. Triple A, Wood Guy, Spin the Wheel, uh, three, I don't know. Mystical Mixing, Human Electric Company, Skin Creator, Avatar Maker, two-player games, Boxes Lost Fragments, and Royal Match. Wait, that took 2 minutes just to say it. Oh yeah, and these things, Duolingo. They haven't stole my parents yet because I actually have 68 streak. Yay. Google Earth, build it. Yeah, it's I forgot to put this in here, so wait, I'm gonna put core bound in my main. I'm gonna put core bound here in my main. Oh no! And also rectangles. If you wanna see rectangles, I might do a video of it next time. this will just go into whatever here. So yeah, this is my tablet so far. Oh yeah, the thumbnail is me, by the way. Oh yeah, I actually learned at OLAS. So our large angel school is in Filipino. So I have this, but I'm offline. It's 5 minutes already. Oh yeah. So my dad actually has this thing. Uses Redmi. Though I can't connect because there's no more internet on there. And he also blocked me in that. Yeah. So my favorite games here are actually Roblox, Melon Playground, Corebound, Rectangles. Yeah, and what they're doing here? Character AI, boxes, lost fragments, and I don't know. Let me remember. Yeah, that's my favorite. Oh wait, I forgot I haven't actually played Cookie Run Kingdom in a while. Something made me want to quit. So yeah, but I haven't. Oh wait, oh no, I forgot. I have no. Oh wait, why did I go into Kilimba? Well, I guess let's start playing. I don't know how to play, so I'm just. That's all of Kilimba. I won't play the online games though, but I'm gonna check Superstar Idol because I don't know. Made with Unity. Oh yeah, okay, it's not offline. Oh, I thought it was. So I'm already done with Desolate Race. I just need to complete the I forgot. It's time to go Filipino. Wait, I'm not that into Filipino. I don't know why I'm I just keep doing English. I forgot how to Filipino. Oh yeah. Okay guys, this is my loadout. We have uh, why did I get that Nova amp and Ranger, and I also use crawler. The my tech things. No, me me drone or the drone, hook shot, spike, another hook shot, and the leech module, and then spike again. I already have 29 goals. And sadly, I do not have any stored crates. This I just gonna out of rage. Rrrr! Holy. Super holy. Holy. Oh my god, it might reach. Oh my god. Hookshot frozen. Hookshot frozen, bro. Hookshot frozen. It's hookshot frozen. A frozen hookshot. Ah. Frozen hookshotting. Frozen hookshotting. Frozen hookshotting. Okay, time to do Lost Scrapyard. And even if I'm not that popular, I'm still, though I don't have any motivation left. So please give me some words of motivation in the comments, and please subscribe. Though it's not the ending of the video, I'm just saying. And sorry for not posting that long. Ow! Oh no, I'm getting hit, bro. Why are they hitting me? Ow.